What is up, you guys? Rochelle Diamante here, and today I am gonna be your bartender. Here's the thing though, in real life, if I was your bartender, you would not want that at all because I have no idea what I'm doing whatsoever. Yeah, I have not even watched any tutorials. I don't drink a whole bunch, so I've never made like a professional cocktail before. Like I've never used this thing, that's for sure. But it's gonna be a fun experiment today. Other thing is that I don't exactly have all the ingredients. So I'm gonna think on the fly. I'm gonna experiment. I might just come up with the next big cocktail. You never know. Before we get started, if you don't mind clicking that subscribe button and hitting that bell to make sure you get all the notifications for all of my videos that are coming up, including my latest singles. Like I just released one called The World Is Yours, which is here on this channel. If you have not checked it out, please do so. I appreciate you guys for being here, and let's make some cocktails. Okay, so the first drink that I'm going to make today is called Tommy's Margarita. When I read it, it kind of seems like just a margarita, but apparently it belongs to Tommy. I don't know. It says 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce fresh squeezed lime juice. Don't use bottle, just squeeze a lime. It's not hard. It literally says that in parentheses. And a ½ ounce of agave syrup or other sweetener. So I don't have agave syrup. But what I do have is honey. Okay. And I do have lime, no, I don't have lime juice. I have lemons. So that'll be the same thing. Got some Don Julio tequila right here. Ew, these are going bad, y'all. These are going bad. Let me just do this a little rinsey rinse. Gotta keep the coronavirus away. So we got a lemon. Oh, I need a squeezer. Got it. Oh, and this cute little bowl so that I look fancy. Okay, here we go. Got this. So, 2 ounces of tequila. What is this supposed to be? 1 ounce? This could be a complete fail. Here we go. Here we go. Can you tell I'm procrastinating? Woo! Whoop-a! Oh, crap. Wait, how am I supposed to measure it? Let me get down here. Okay, I did. So we've got 1 ounce of Don Julio tequila. Combine all ingredients in a shaker over ice, shake to chill, and strain over fresh ice. So there's got to be ice in the shaker. Am I getting that correctly? Take this thing off. Gotta take that off. Okay. How much ice? It doesn't specify. You know, I think it's better to have more than less. Now we put our tequila in here. I got 1 ounce. Now I gotta fill it again, guys. Put this in here. So far, so bueno. Now my little limon over here. No! Bad limon. It's all brown in the center. Use this before it goes bad. Because I have a little thing that catches all the juice. I'm going to pour that in there. There we go. We can put this in here. Just mix it. A bit. Perfect! So we're going to put this in here. I'm feeling good about this, guys. I really am. And this is the part that's a little weird. The honey. ½ ounce. So I've got an even teeny tiny one. Put in the honey. Oh, I don't know if this is going to work. There we go. Put that in there. Wow. It looks so beautiful. Just gonna put that there. And now we shake it, guys. Oh, I'm nervous. I don't know why this part makes me nervous. Should I go like that or something? All right, here we go, guys. Oh, it's cold. It's so cold. Look at the frost on this. Oh my God, it's freezing my neck. Okay. Okay, that actually hurts my bones. Let's put this over fresh ice. Guys, I wonder if the honey just solidified or if it dissolved. We're gonna find out. Smell it. Oh, it smells good. shot. I mean, it looks mixed. It smells like tequila, that's for damn sure, and I don't know if that's a good thing for me or not. Woo! You know how when you take a shot of tequila, you chase it with a lime? This is that all in one. I mean, yeah, this did not sweeten it at all. This is just straight up lemon juice and some tequila. That was because a little bit went through my throat. Down the wrong pipe. Okay, I'm kind of down to add a little more honey and see if it does sweeten it though. I gotta mix it like it is. It's not gonna dissolve. Bro! We gotta go like this. I've seen bartenders do it like this. Nah guys, this is just straight up tequila and lemon juice. If you're into that sort of thing, I did a great job. So let's move on to the next one.
Kicks you right in the back of the throat.
It kicks you in the back of the throat.
Yeah.
It really does. And we're back. The next one is a drink that I quite enjoy myself. It is called a Paloma. Now, I think I have everything. Because I do. Stepping it up from the last drink. Now this says to put it in a highball glass with ice in a salted rim. What the heck is a highball? Like a tall glass? So we're gonna do this. And 1 ounce of tequila. Oh, yeah, there you go. Wait, I should have put the rim before the ice, because I can't. So I think when you do a rim, you're supposed to like put some lime juice, some lemon juice like on the edge, and then you get some salt. And you know what I'm gonna do? The rim is just gonna have lemon, but then the drink I'll put a splash of salt and some lemon on top, like in the actual drink. We're gonna put our tequila in it, and then some grapefruit soda, which I just happen to have right here. I mean, this is not grapefruit soda, so don't get your hopes up. But this is citrus twist, a lemon lime soda. Basically the same thing as like a fresca or a squirt, you know? How much does it say? 1 ounce. 1 ounce? And they want me to put this tall glass? I'm gonna put more than that. Probably should have tilted it, huh? What are you saying back there? Cut. No, we are doing this. Okay, we're putting more. I want the drink, it says to fill it up! If they wanted me to get a tall glass, then they need me to fill it up. I mean, what else am I supposed to do? I'm gonna leave it right here because my husband is behind the camera complaining that I should stop pouring now. So we got tequila, we got some citrus twist off-brand Sprite, basically. We have some lemon with no salt. Fresh lime juice now. I'm gonna put a little bit of this. Nice. I'm gonna put just a little squeeze with some salt. Like a little, how fast does this thing come out? Oh, okay. So like that, and one more. For good luck. Okay, I'm supposed to do that. Now I got my drink here. I think that's it. Wait, garnish with a grapefruit slice. I don't have grapefruit, but I do have this. Wait. This is actually not bad. Boom! Ah! Look at it! Bon appetit. Relax on the fizzing. I'm gonna move this. Ah, yes! Now that actually tastes super good. Really get that lemon from the rim. Get that sweetness in it from the soda. This is really good. This is very refreshing and I want to put it in the fridge to have later. Paloma, you guys. See, I told you I could do it. If you ordered enough drinks for me, I'd probably make you something good. Last one that I'm making for this video. Tequila pineapple. Here's the funny thing about this though. I don't have anything pineapple. I'm actually making tequila orange juice with mango. I feel like putting it in the shaker just because I love this shaker. It was pretty fun even though it hurt my bones. It says 3 ounces pineapple juice, 2 ounces tequila, oh, and club soda, which, as you know, I have this that is totally not close to club soda, but it's carbonated and it's clear and it'll do today. Okay, I got this. Okay, so I'm gonna put some ice in here because that's what the other recipe said to do. 3 ounces of our orange juice with mango. Jesus. Oh God. No, I'm gonna do it this way. Here we go. I should have done this before. 1, 2. 2 ounces tequila. 1. And some club soda. Wait, I can't put club soda in this yet. I'm gonna splash it on top. Because if I shake club soda, it's just gonna explode everywhere. Always thinking. Always thinking. Okay, that's it. Okay, here we go. Some ice, some tall glass. And now we're gonna have a splash of club soda on top of it. I think that'll do it. We have basically my own drink. A tequila orange juice with mango. Here we go. Woo! That's a lot of tequila in there. I need more orange juice in this tequila orange juice with mango than the tequila. Let's just add a little bit more of that. Okay. Okay, here we go. There we go. So make that 4 ounces of orange juice with mango, 2 ounces of tequila, and then like maybe 2 splashes of your club soda or whatever you have. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to bartending and making cocktails and all that jazz. I might enjoy this cocktail or I might throw it out and just enjoy the Paloma because, as you saw, I like that one way better. And I hope you smiled a little bit, laughed a little bit, and like I would not recommend any of these to you. What I would recommend though is the actual recipes for these things, which are in the description below. So if you want to make these the right way, like go get the ingredients because they're actually really important. That's the moral of this video today. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Also, I have a brand new single out called The World Is Yours, and it has a really positive message. So if you feel like you just need like a little uplifting thing in your life right now, then feel free to listen to that. So please give me that big thumbs up if you thought this was entertaining in any sort of way at all. Have an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye! Yeah, that's still way too much tequila. Damn. Alright. I need to get off this camera before I embarrass myself. I don't think I should be having this. Let me tell you something. Have I ever told you how much I love you? I'm just kidding. Okay, bye. I gotta turn off the camera, don't I? Peace. Oh wait, that's how you turn it off.
Scared when the world is yours.